It's January 21st, and I think I've lost already 20 pounds since January 2nd. So it's been exactly 20 days. I've lost about 20 pounds, but before I even make that claim, let's jump on the scale and let's see how much I weigh. The last meal I had was yesterday, January 20th. I had one meal at 3 p.m. So let's jump on the scale and let's see exactly what I weigh today, and I'll see what I weighed back on January 2nd. Okay, I am 213.4. Yesterday I was 214.1. And at the start of this year, I was 234 on January 2nd. So that's more than 20 pounds. It appears I've lost 0.7 pounds since yesterday. I only had that one meal at 3 p.m. as you saw. So yes, I've lost about a total of 20 pounds since the start of this year. I wish I would have taken the picture of my starting weight. I can't find it in my phone, but yes, progress is progress. It's going smooth. Now, even if my weight went up, no worries. The body fluctuates all the time. We discussed that yesterday's video, that's going to happen. No need to quit just because your body weight goes up. I see so many people that their weight starts fluctuating and then they just throw in the towel, okay? So stick with it. I promise you, you're gonna be satisfied with the results. It is a full day today. Wet, rainy, dropped the kids off at school, and wow, look at that fire in there. So we're sitting in front of Crackle Barrel. I'm not gonna be eating. I'm gonna go hit the gym. My daughter's homeschooled, so she gets to go with mommy to Cracker Barrel. Lucky them. Man, this rain's gonna be all day and it's cold. We're making some good time, almost at the gym. It's about 9:32. Don't really like working out at that time because it gets super, super crowded. Rain or shine, it is gym time. Man, it is so crowded in here. I may have to go out of order with my workouts, which actually, that's okay if you have to do that. Summer bodies are made in the winter. I know you don't feel like going to the gym because it's cold out and those kind of things, but I'm telling you, when June arrives, you're gonna wish you had started in January. So remember, summer bodies are made in the winter. Workout is done, I got it in there. Now it's time to pick up my daughter from Cracker Barrel. And I know I said I dropped my kids off from school. What I meant to say is that we dropped my son Liam off at school and my daughter is homeschooled. She's a little bit older. We're kind of finding out that the homeschool route is actually quite better. So off to Cracker Barrel. Can you imagine walking outside of the gym and you see this Waffle House? I gotta tell you, it smells good every single time I walk out of the gym. Struggle is real, my friends. We're finally back, pretty eventful day. I'm gonna cook my one meal and it's already 3:03, so I'm a little bit behind. And while I cook the meal, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did at the start of this year that helped me lose 20 pounds in 20 days, all right? So we got our Kirkland eggs. We're gonna be doing that. And then this, I got at Costco. These are really good, check it out. This is what they actually look like. They're already medium rare. You put them in a pan for like 1-2 minutes and they're done. So we're gonna have that as well. So let's get these, get the eggs going here. So I'm just gonna do 4 eggs. Oh yeah, it's already hot. 4 eggs. I'm gonna put just a little bit of egg whites because I like the extra protein in my eggs. Had a great workout today. Let's see, I did some back. I did some shoulders. And what else did I do? I think it was primarily back and shoulders today. So we got that done. We're just gonna add a little bit of egg whites. All right, just a little bit, just to kind of like cover the pan. All right. I always like to add just a little bit of salt and pepper. And man, I try not to break the yolk. I think I broke one of the yolks this time. Get some salt in there. So while this is cooking, this is how I lost 20 pounds in 20 days. So I started off on January 2nd. It wasn't the 1st, it was the 2nd. And I fasted for 5 days. No food at all. I just had some water and some electrolytes. And that first 5 days, I lost 15 pounds in 5 days. And then from there, I broke the fast and I did
Just 2 meals a day, carnivore, similar to a meal that I'm making here. Okay, meat, fat, protein, that's it. No carbs and sugars. Haven't had that in 20 days. And then after about a week of doing 2 meals a day, I really wanted to push the scale. So now I'm doing 1 meal a day at 3 p.m. So that's kind of how I lost the 20 pounds in 20 days. Now, I don't expect anyone to fast for 5 days. You really have to work up to it because it does take some time for your body to kind of get used to fasting. So I would recommend just start with like a 1 meal a day. You know, start with that, you know, and then maybe implement 1 fast day a week just to get your body used to it. Almost forgot. Can't forget the avocado. Got to have avocado with that meal too. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to cover this because I like my eggs over easy. So we're just going to cover that and then we'll be done. So again, make sure to, if you want to see more of this kind of content, just let me know. You know, just leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And hopefully a lot of the tips that I'll be giving you will help you this year. Because here's the thing, like I mentioned earlier in the gym, if you don't start now, June is going to come up really, really quick and you're going to wish you had done this in January, okay? Because summer bodies are built in the winter, all right? Some people like to bulk up during the winter because you're kind of covered up and nobody can see that you're gaining excess fat. I don't like to do it that way. I like to start trimming down now. Gives you a 6-month window to reach your goal. And the thing is, it's not even going to take me 6 months. I'll probably drop maybe another, like, I think I only need to drop like another 20, 25 pounds and I'll be at my goal. So, and that's probably only going to take me maybe 2 months. I'm thinking maybe by March, I'll be at my goal. That's kind of like my goal every year, is I want to get to my goal before my birthday. So that's toward the end of March during spring break. And what a perfect time to get in shape for spring break, right? So these are almost done. I like to just, you know, get them really light, the egg whites over the yolk. I don't like to overcook it. I hate overcooked eggs. So this looks like it's already done. Now after that, what we'll do is we're going to cook this meat. So as you can see, it's going to slide right out. That's it. Now, these all depends on how you like it. If you like it medium, medium rare, well done. I like medium rare. So this isn't going to take long at all to cook. Basically, I'm just going to be warming it up. So we'll go ahead and put that in there. These are excellent. Go to Costco. These are really, really good. So these won't take no time at all to cook up. Go. All right, so all that's cooking, which won't take long if you like it medium rare. So I'm probably going to flip these right away. And then after that's done cooking, we'll do the avocado and that'll be it. All right. See, these are cooking so fast, I probably don't even need to put the heat on because I just did the eggs. Just going to give it a quick flip. And these will be done. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to use my finger because it's a little bit faster. I have what you call baker's hands, which means my hands can really take a lot of heat because I was a baker for many years. Almost 20 years I was a baker, so yeah, it comes in handy sometimes. Just keep this flipping here. And that's it, guys. So just write down that formula. You know, do some type of like, you know, 1 day fast, 1 to 5 days. Eat 2 meals a day. I would say to eat between like 1 and 5. That's a really good range because you want to eat around that lunchtime and dinner. Essentially, you're just skipping breakfast. That's it. So if you can stick to 1 to 5 and then do that for a couple weeks, and as your body gets used to that, go down to 1 meal a day, you're going to see the weight rip off you fast, all right? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if there's any other things that you want me to talk about, just leave a comment below. See you soon. I had to show you guys. Here's the finished, got the eggs, we got the meat, and then we got avocado.